All right, everyone, we are going to work on number 1 over here together. So we have HCl, magnesium hydroxide. This is an acid and a base, so I know I'm making water, and magnesium chloride. I have 2, and I have 2. I have a volume of 0.075 liters, a concentration of 0.125 moles per liter, a volume of 0.065 liters, concentration of 0.200 moles per liter. So first I'm going to find the moles of both. My moles of HCl is equal to 0.075 liters times 0.125 moles per 1 liter. 0.075 times 0.125 is 0.009375 moles. Next, I'm going to find the moles of magnesium hydroxide. This is 0.065 liters. Times 0.200 moles per 1 liter. This gives me 0.013 moles. Now I'm going to compare. That's my third step here. So I'm going to look for HCl based on what I have of magnesium hydroxide. For every 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide, I have 2 moles of HCl. This gives me 0.026 moles of HCl. Okay, if I look at this number and I compare it to my original amount, which was, so this is this answer, this is the original. I have this much as my original. I can see that this is a lot more than this one. Okay, so that means that magnesium hydroxide is my excess reagent, because I had enough to produce my original HCl. Let's do the other one just to make sure. If I'm looking for my moles of magnesium hydroxide, I'm going to use the 0.009375, yes, of HCl. Divide that by 2 because I have 2 moles of HCl for every 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. I get 0.00468. Okay, if I look at this and I compare it to what I originally have, it's not enough. So that means that my HCl is my limiting. So I'm always looking to this substance here. Was it enough or not enough? So I have done both cases. Again, you only have to do one. Once you identify your LR, you then move on to the next part. So now that I know that that's my limiting, I'm going to have magnesium hydroxide left over. Magnesium hydroxide is a base. I know that eventually I'm looking for my pH, but with hydroxide, I can only solve for my pOH. So my goal now is to find my pOH, and then I'll be able to find pH. So my next step, so number 1 was balance, 2 was moles, 3 was compare, 4, I'm going to find my moles of magnesium hydroxide left over. Okay, so magnesium hydroxide, I'll just put it on pause.